Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix runtime error codes. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Microsoft, click the Create One option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if you are experiencing the runtime errors like runtime error code 217, 0Xc004F011, or 0Xc1010103, it typically indicates issues with the software compatibility, system settings, or corrupted files. And here's how you can troubleshoot and potentially fix this error. Number one is you need to update the Windows and drivers. Now from here, you need to go to the update in security, go to Windows Update, and check for all updates and install any available updates. Update your device drivers, especially graphics and chipset drivers, as outdated drivers can cause sometimes the runtime errors. After that, try to restart your computer to see if that works. Now, the next option that you can do is, I need you to perform a system file checker scan or SFC. Go to CMD or command prompt, and I need you to run it as an administrator. And from here, in the command prompt window, type the following command and press enter. And that is going to be SFC space scan now / Now after that, press enter and let the scan complete, because SFC will scan for and repair any corrupted file systems that may be causing the runtime error. Now the next option that you can do is run a full system scan with your antivirus software to check for malware or viruses. Consider using Windows Defender or any reputable antivirus program to ensure your system is clean. Right now, I'm using Malwarebytes, and I'm going to do that and try to restart your computer to see if that works. All right. Now, the next option that you can do is, once you are on your computer, all right, go to your start menu. And then I need you to go to the click on run and type in msconfig. All right. Now what will happen is, what we are going to do from here is to perform a clean boot to troubleshoot for the if third-party software or services are causing conflicts. Press enter, and from here in the system configuration, go to the services tab, and then from here I need you to click hide all Microsoft services, then click disable, and then try to restart to see if that works. All right. Now, if you have tried all the above steps and are still experiencing the runtime error, consider contacting the support team for the software or game causing the issue. And again, from here, all we have to do is go to Windows, select the type and category, and provide them with details about the error message, when it occurs, and any steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. And I believe by following these steps, you should be able to diagnose and fix the runtime error codes. And I believe that's it for today's window. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.